You guys, we have a surprise today. At our assembly, we are going to celebrate somebody extra special, okay? Ms.Simpson, would you please come up here? Racheal here wrote a letter to Dr. Swinyard. Dr. Swinyard is over there. Come on over, Dr. Swinyard. And so, Racheal, would you share that?
We had over 120 students on our Audubon Cross Country Team. Ms.Simpson is our main coach, and she puts lots of effort into organizing and keeping us safe and having fun. Ms.Simpson is nice, positive, encouraging, and makes sure that we are all doing our part. She is always smiling and making us feel special.
Thank you, I appreciate it.